On this video, I'm gonna talk about 7 different passive income ideas. All I need you guys to do is drop a comment below telling me where you guys are watching this video from. I really want to get a good feel where my audience is at, so let's roll it. For our first one, guys, we're gonna talk about some easy cash flow. It is gonna be from savings accounts. Savings accounts are very simple, very easy to start. You can check out this list to see which banks you want to be a part of. They are not gonna be really high yielding, but it's better than zero. And our next one is a little bit higher yielding. It's going to be international savings accounts. If you're looking at investing overseas and starting some savings account, building up something a little bit faster, this is a good way. I do this now, but if you guys want to try it, it does have some risk to it. It does take a little long to start the account, but once you do it, like India, for example, you can get up to 6.5%. So it's much better than the States. Let's check out another country. Here's Korea. Here they give it out 5% for their savings accounts for Hana Bank, and for Australia a little bit higher than America. They have some at 1.2%. It's just how it is. Like you can have a lot more in there, but I just tell people like it's something different. Investing or putting your money in savings internationally is a little bit hard, but once you start it, it's pretty easy. Our next thing, guys, is going to be CD accounts. CD accounts are a little bit better, especially in the States, because they're paying a little bit better than savings accounts. You got to lock your money up for maybe for a year, for 2 years. But if you have an emergency account and it's sitting pretty fat, maybe try implementing one of these to get your money up or cash flow a little bit higher. Our next thing is, guys, dividends. I love dividends. Dividends is the way to build passive cash flow. It's one of my favorites, and it's very easy to start. And when it comes to high yield dividends, I'm going to show you some. I'm not telling you guys to buy these at all. I'm just showing you some ideas. Some are paying out 33%, 21%, 20% per year. Now, again, I'm not saying to buy these. They're just ideas. A lot of companies kind of like they pay 3%, 5%. You want to figure out a good, comfortable amount of money, build a strategy around this. Just showing you guys some ideas because it just is absolutely amazing. Now let's talk about REITs. Now, REITs are very similar to dividend stocks, but for them, they are focused on real estate property, commercial property, and they're paying some of the proceeds back to the investors. And off the investors, they make some you can make some pretty good returns off these. Here's some ideas off of Dividend.com about these: 2%, 3%. Some are a lot higher. So I'm gonna send you these lists. This link is below, so check that out, guys. Our next thing is the amazing loans. I see about a lot of loans. When I first started investing, it's a lot easier for passive cash flow because it's just a contract base. You can give out 5%, 10% on your loans based on the collateral amount and the trustworthiness of the individual. But it's up to you when you guys build those contracts. So try it out. If not, you guys can do loans on our next idea for lending club or stuff like that. You can do like crowd-funded loans. You can do it all online. You don't have to meet anybody. It's a really good idea if you guys are looking for more passive income. And that's our last one, guys. If you guys are looking for more information about me, you can drop a comment below and I'll help build that conversation, or go to my website, andrejmcclendon.com. Click on stocks, indicators. This site's all about trading in Forex and wealth. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.